Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure, yet many of us unknowingly engage in habits that can seriously damage these essential organs. In this video, we'll explore 10 everyday habits that can harm your kidneys and the warning signs that indicate they might be in trouble. Understanding kidney damage is essential because early detection can significantly affect treatment and outcomes. We'll discuss everyday behaviors that you might not realize are putting your kidneys at risk, from dietary choices to lifestyle factors. By the end of this video, you'll be aware of these damaging habits and equipped with knowledge on how to protect your kidney health. I appreciate your support. Habit 1. Excessive salt intake. One of the most significant habits that can lead to kidney damage is excessive salt intake. High salt consumption is closely linked to elevated blood pressure, which puts immense strain on your kidneys. When you consume too much sodium, your body retains more water to balance the salt levels, increasing blood volume and blood pressure. Over time, this added pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Processed foods, canned soups, deli meats, and condiments like soy sauce and ketchup are familiar sources of high sodium in our diets. Many people are surprised to learn how much sodium is hidden in everyday items, making it easy to exceed the recommended daily intake without realizing it. Moderation is vital when it comes to salt consumption. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day, ideally aiming for 1,500 milligrams for optimal health. By being mindful of your salt intake and choosing fresh, whole foods over processed options, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney damage and promote overall health. Habit 2. Dehydration. Dehydration is another critical habit that can severely impact kidney health. Our kidneys rely on adequate water intake to function correctly, as they need it to filter waste and toxins from the blood. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys can become overworked, leading to a buildup of waste products and an increased risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Chronic dehydration can even contribute to long-term kidney damage. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily to stay hydrated, but remember that individual needs may vary based on factors like activity level and climate. Carrying a reusable water bottle can be a helpful reminder to sip throughout the day. Incorporating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can boost your hydration levels. Be vigilant for signs of dehydration, including dry mouth, fatigue, dark yellow urine, and dizziness. If you notice these symptoms, increasing your fluid intake is essential. By prioritizing hydration, you can support your kidneys in their vital role and help maintain your overall health. Remember, extra water can go a long way in protecting your kidneys. Habit 3.